Hello, my name is Ankrim, and this is my new student experience online presentation PowerPoint. Hobbies and interests. Some of my main hobby is outdoor activities, anything specifically to do with water. So I love surfing and kayaking, and I'm from North Carolina, so I did a lot of hiking. But I just moved to Florida last year from the mountain area, and now I'm a beach bum. And you'll see some of that in some of the next slides. Here's a picture of me surfing in Jamaica, one of my favorite places. Here's one of me kayaking last year at New Smyrna Intercoastal. Very fun thing to do. And lastly, there's a picture of me ziplining in Ocala. This is from a couple months ago. Accomplishments. Two of my accomplishments would be graduating Full Sail University with a Bachelor's of Science in Entertainment Business in 2008. And another one is in 2018, I left my company of eight or 9 years and moved to the U.S. Virgin Islands, St. Croix specifically, to help a friend with the business. I learned very quickly that there's a difference between visiting an island for vacation and working on one or living on one. Next is, what do I expect to get out of new student experience? I hope to leave with a roadmap to graduation and a career path, and also enhance some college success skills, since it's been about 13 years since I've been in college. And last but not least, a couple personal points on how I feel about online learning. I think there are pros and cons. I prefer in-person classes, but a pro would be that online learning is self-paced and flexible. A con would be that it lacks interpersonal communication, and it's harder to meet your professor and other classmates and develop those relationships and network, just because, it's not in person. All right, well, thank you very much for watching my presentation, and I hope to speak with you soon.